Be the envy of your friends in this 2012 Ford Territory. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Better mileage means better driving, and this vehicle delivers with low fuel consumption. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: central locking, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors, power windows, satellite navigation, side airbag, stability control. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Memory settings are just one of the many features. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.